Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make Parippu Vada or masala vada, one of the tastiest South Indian snack. It's very yummy, easy to make and very tasty. So let's go ahead and go for the ingredients. I've also added the ingredients in the description box. You can check it out there. Now let's get started. For the Parippu Vada, I have taken 1 cup of channa dal and I have soaked it 6 to 8 hours in water and drained all the excess water out. You can soak it overnight also. I have taken 10 shallots, 3 dry red chili, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, curry leaves, 3 green chili, small piece of ginger, asafoetida and salt. I am taking out 1 tablespoon of channa dal and keeping it separate. We are going to use it later. Now I am going to add all these ingredients into the food processor. You can use a blender too, but make sure you are not grinding it very fine. You need it coarse grind. Now we are going to blend it. I've finished blending. Now I'm going to add the channa dal into it and we are going to do the same coarse grind on it. Now let's coarse grind this one. Now I've finished coarse grinding the mixture and we are going to transfer it into a bowl. Now I'm going to add the channa dal which we took and kept it aside. Add salt and a pinch of asafoetida. Now we are going to mix everything together. After mixing the batter, we're going to make it into a lemon-sized ball. Then put it on your palm and stretch it out like this. Try to make it like a round shape. The vada is like little bit thick on the center and thin on the edges. Just like that. And if you feel like if your batter is too watery or like you're not able to mix it up like this, you can add a little bit of rice flour to it so that it thickens up the batter. Now I finished spreading the Parippu Vada and now we are going to fry it. I kept a pan with oil in it. Now it's hot. Bring the flame to a medium and then we are going to fry it out. After a while, let's turn it on the other side. Now my Parippu Vada is done. Fry the rest of the batter the same way. Now our delicious Parippu Vada or masala vada is ready. Let's try the recipe. To try a Parippu Vada, the famous thing which we do back in Kerala is we take a banana, Parippu Vada, and a bite of banana and add a sip of tea. That is the most tastiest thing in the world. And the vada is so crispy, I think you can hear the sound of it when I'm chewing on it. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also enjoy our recipe. Thank you.